discover the open-source model, Llama 2, which can be run locally on your device for free, even by non-tech users. Learn how to download necessary files and interact with an AI assistant, following simple steps for installation. To get started, download the pre-built executable for GPU machines and extract it in a directory of your choice. Shown address and available in description. Next, download the CUBLOS drivers and extract them in your main directory, allowing for GPU acceleration. Create a folder for the Llama 2 model file, then download and move the file into this new folder. Initiate the AI Assistant CLI program in the terminal, then execute the main.exe file with various arguments. Finally, use Llama 2 locally in PowerShell for a chatbot experience that provides full control over data and conversations without usage limits. Downloading the model. Initiating the AI Assistant CLI program.